Hey y'all, it's your girl fashionkillervonnie, aka Vonnie, and today I am very excited because I am going home to get my car. Oh, it is Saturday, October 14th, and I'm on my way to Baltimore. I'm just so excited. Just stay tuned, y'all, cause when I get home, I'm getting a new car. Like, let's go. Baby, hi baby, hi my baby, hi baby, hi. Oh, you missed me. You missed your mommy. You missed mommy. Yes, I know you missed mommy. I know you missed mommy. Come here. Come here. Ooh. Come here. Hi baby. Another chance. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Did you miss me? It's my little outfits today. It says online, offline. I'm about to make this real quick before my sister comes home and be like, oh, why aren't you ready? Okay, so my face is finished. Just something slight. My sister should be pulling up any minute now, so I will see y'all at the car dealership. They got Morgan Homecoming out here. These people out here lit. It's so many cars. Like so many cars. Oh my gosh. You should be mad at yourself. Dang!
You said they're waiting until the sun goes down.
They probably like, is she recording me? Let's just roll up the window here. Yo. Where are they going? Oh my gosh.
I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming!
Don't hit nobody talking about you coming.
Easy. No. But you got lovely, great. Is this your mother?
My mom.
You got lovely children.
Just got
And
to
I met your sister.
dealership.
Your sister checked me out. She called Judy Lewis up. And Judy told her I was #1. That was good enough for your sister. Nice meeting you, dear. Come up and visit me. I need some friendship.
This is my father's woman, by the way.
Huh? That's your father's woman?
Yes. My mother, my father, you know.
10 times better looking than your father.
Lord, this man.
I ain't telling him nothing. Let me see the closets right quick. Shimon, go ahead in there. I read the paperwork. You can start signing it. Just don't sign yourself.
Limited. Top of the line.
I know.
You got everything you want. Sign right here.
They was trying to make me get stuff that wasn't limited for the same
I
price
know,
range.
I
And
know.
I'm like,
I know. Here and here.
why do that if I can get
No,
a
you did
limited
good.
in my price
You got the
range?
right family.
Okay, you guys. This is the moment of the big reveal of my new car. So let's get into it. Yes, you guys. This is my new car. I'm excited. So apparently, I have lifetime car washes. And like, what did he say? 3 oil changes? 3 oil changes and lifetime car washes for free? Oh, yes. Why I keep doing that?
When I'm trying to figure out where to get a car, you're right. Sometimes I look at.
All right, but why I keep doing that?
Huh.
Did it lock or something?
Yeah.
Yes, it locks.
If you don't,
open it, it'll
Oh.
lock on you.
Oh.
yeah, everybody's car is separate.
Also, if somebody gets knocked, if I'm getting knocked upside my head, it's going to lock.
No.
While I'm getting.
What he means is, let's say you unlock the door so I can go to your car and get
Right.
something. If I don't go fast enough, it'll lock back.
Right, so it's going to lock back while they beating me up.
Yeah. You ever heard of a jump
Oh, snap, shorty.
Look at her. She pumped up. Look.
It's real pumped.
Because I thought I hit the button
Make sure
again.
you come so your mother can see your car. Oh, Tiffany wants a video because she didn't get to
You
see the
put
car.
me in seeing it through hell.
Thank you,
Unlock the door,
Father.
Siobhan.
Thank you.
Tell us what saying she put it through hell for this.
I'm finally with my best friend, y'all. Hi! This is Ashley. How you doing, girl? You looking cute with your short haircut. We're about to go to IHOP.
It look nice.
Too legit to quit. Thank you.
I don't like you now.
Why?
Got a sunroof.
Am I getting them?
You better get 10.
Yeah. I told you this already.
Hi.
Sup? Is it clear?
Yeah. Sup YouTube, I'm taking over her channel, so. See a lot of me today. Ah.
We're going to Walmart.
We're going to Walmart?
Because I got to go to Walmart and get stuff in my car.
Yes, her brand new car. Why do I kind of sound like a car commercial?
Too legit to quit.
Do they know about our relationship?
What you mean?
Our relationship.
I mean, if you know me, then you know who my best friend is.
Y'all, I'm her best friend. I'm her baby. That
It's
is
crooked.
Bae. That is Bae. I am Bae, okay? Wherever she at, I'm at. Okay, any business she got to tell me, I know. And vice versa, okay? I know everything.
You take too long to tell me stuff.
Alright. My bad. It just don't be popping up in my head. You tell me too much.
Yo. Don't know what you're talking about.
She done made herself all comfy. Feet up.
Gang, gang.
Gang gang.
Yo.
We've been here for like, what, 10 minutes?
Oh, I forgot about the movie. It's 9:14.
Well, what we about to do about that?
We can still make it.
Do they show previews? Oh, okay.
Question is, my mom feel like once the movie's in Walmart, I don't think I can make it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it through the movie. I might pass out.
I don't know if I can make it through the movie either. We should just take a Walmart trip.
Cool beans. So, I plan on getting this steering wheel cover. Ashley picked this one out with these plates. I was gonna get the all silver one, but she said since my car is black, get the black frame so the studs will pop out more. I said, you're right. Like I said, for summer, I think I'm gonna just put a seat cover on just my seat and let everybody else just be hot with the leather.
So, everybody go ahead, booty shorts on.
Yep.
And tank tops. And you go
Yep.
ahead, your people's skin melting on
Yep.
your seats.
it's not gonna be hot, you know, after you turn the air on and stuff and it
Baby
cools
girl.
off.
Baby girl. Baby girl. You rather have people's skin melt and come off
Yes.
on your seats
This skin is not gonna melt and come off.
rather than.
Honey, I'm only putting the
Well, you better look at these over here.
I'm not getting that right now. What do I
Just
need?
saying, at least look. Jeez, I just said look. Did I not just say look? I did not say bye. I said look.
When summer comes, I'm putting this seat cover on my seat.
You got a whole
only.
nother year. A whole year.
Ew.
Hey, hey, hey. Jiggle, jiggle, pop. Pull my hips, let it rock, okay. Swing that, swing that. She don't know the dance.
I don't. I'm just making up something.
Wedgie in my booty, feeling tight. Ooh, yeah.
Or something and
I know it.
do it. Let me see. You was zoomed in on my butt that whole time?
Not the whole time. Can we get in the aisle? Let's get in the aisle.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I knew to load that part, and I know that they do this. That's all I know. Shoot.
Because I'm a dancer. I need to know these dances.
Well, I'm not sure.
Y'all look out for my YouTube coming soon as I get a camera. Dance videos, blogs.
They don't even have a cute one, cute colored one. Like, I got a crate from the back of Walmart in my trunk, in Mariah. Because my father was like, you don't need to buy nothing for that. They always got crates in the back of stores. So we went in the back of Walmart and took a freaking crate. She probably had nothing else to do but laugh at us. Cause it was like she looked at us like, what? And then she couldn't help but laugh. I noticed people get very uncomfortable when you walk around with a camera.
I know, they like, oh shoot, camera.
They like, are you recording me? Like, they get so uncomfortable.
I stopped.
What? Come on, girl. And then you also get a lot of, everybody just stares at you while you have a camera, holding up the camera. And then you look again, hi. Yes, I'm talking. Yes, I'm talking about you.
What's that?
Like, yo, stop staring at me. It's 2017. Everybody walks around holding up the camera to their face. People walk around stores Snapchatting up. Take that off. Hey y'all, it's currently Sunday and I'm just chilling at my house. I need to finish cleaning out my old car. I might go visit a family member and yeah, just chilling. I need my glasses because I am a blind child. Okay, I can see without them, but and here is my nephew here acting like a fool.
What? I'm not going to this one at you.
No, you're not. Hey, Grandma. Just checking out the car. Yeah.
That is beautiful. I love it. I love it.
Thank you.
Fashion Killer Siobhan.
It's Fashion Killer Vonnie.
Fashion Killer Bonnie. I love that wheel cover.
Thank you. Ashley picked that out.
Oh, Ashley got good taste. That's the taste.
Look at my old car, y'all. Mariah on fire. She has some tape on it because the bumper was coming off. Vicky is driving Mariah, a possible buyer. Okay. Vicky is a possible Vicky is a possible buyer of Mariah. She's driving now and she's complaining a lot, talking about this car is so different. Like, she's about to get banged in her mouth and put out. Because as far as I know, Mariah is still my car.
I know, so I gotta.
So I'm currently at my sister's new place, y'all. Do you mind if I give them a little peek? Oh, she got the teapot book. She got her books and stuff. So a little wine rack in her living room.
But I don't want that over here. I had it over here. Mommy put that over there for her.
Yeah. She's having a housewarming on the 28th. So I have a housewarming to go to and the birthday party, 21st birthday party. And it's a costume party for my best friend. And yeah, so I'm coming home on the 27th. Another vlog coming your way. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, if you are currently watching this, then you have reached the end of vlog number 4. This vlog was a good one. Like, it meant a lot to me because I got my new car. It just still feels like so unreal. Like, did I really just get this car? Like, I had good old Mariah for 2 years. She ran well. She was excellent. But it's on to bigger and better things now. Like, I definitely wasn't expecting to get a car this weekend. Like, I went home in the spare of a moment. In the spare of the moment, like, they showed me the car around 10 or 11 or something like that. Maybe 12. Whatever. And then, like, an hour later, they called me talking about, oh, you like your new car? And I'm just like, so you're getting the car? And they were like, yeah, we're getting the car. And then they said that I need to come home to sign paperwork. So I got in the car and rushed home. Well, didn't rush home, but I left at like 2, got there by 5. I want to say thank you to my sister and my father for putting so much work into finding my car. Like, they searched a lot. But also, I had to give a huge shout out to my dearest Aunt Lorraine. She is the reason that I have a new car. She was my favorite aunt. She was my great aunt. And she's the reason that I have this car now, because I can't sit in front like, oh yeah, I paid for the car. No, that was something set up by her. She put me in a good position to get this car. There we go. Anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is fashionkillervonnie, and I will see you next time.